Subject of the formula. We're looking at subject of the formula. Subject of the formula. Subject of the formula. Make example. Make S the subjects of the following equations. We have x plus a equals to b. So we have to make f the subject. So x equals to b minus a. You just bring it to the other side. That's x plus. Whenever you are taking plus to the other side, it becomes negative. So we have another one. We have x over a plus x over b equals to 1. So what do? We find the LCM. The LCM is what? AB. The LCM is AB. So we have A in A, that is BX plus AX equals to what? 1. So the next thing to do is what? Is to cross multiply. The next thing to do is to cross multiply. How do you cross multiply? We have b plus a x equals to what? AB. You cross multiply equals to AB. So what do? You divide through. You divide by b plus a. You divide by b plus a. So what do? By the time we divide by b plus a, we have x equals to ab over b plus a. Let's take another example. Example 3. Let's take another example. Example 3. We have square root of x squared plus a squared equals to 3a. Equals to 3a. So what do? What exactly are we going to do? What exactly are we going to do? What we are going to do is very simple. You take the square of both sides. You take what? Take the square of both sides. Take the square of both sides. So we have square root of x squared plus a square equals to what? 3a squared. So this square cancel square. So we have x squared plus a squared equals to what? 9a squared. 9a squared. So the next thing to do is collect like terms. Collect like terms. You collect like terms. A is here, A is there. So you collect like terms. So we have 9a squared minus a squared. So x squared equals to what? 8a squared. So what's the next thing to do? You take the square root of both sides. You can leave your answer like this, or probably you change it to 4 times 2 a squared. Square cancel square root. Square root of 4 is 2, so we have 2a root 2. 2a root 2. 2a root 2. Let's take another example. 2a root 2. Let's take another example. Let's take another example. Let's take another example. We have number 4. L equals to WH over A into brackets W plus P. So we are going to make W the subject of the formula. We are going to make what? W the subject of the formula. So what do? The first thing to do is what? We cross multiply. We have LA into brackets W plus P equals to WH. So we have LAW plus LAP equals to WH. Note, we want to make W as subject of the formula. W as subject. So what's the first thing I told us? We'll cross multiply. The first thing is to cross multiply. After that, we have LAW plus LAP equals to WH. So what do? You collect the like terms. Collect the like terms. You collect the like terms. You collect the what? Like I have LAW minus WH equals to, okay, probably because I don't want this to be negative. I don't want it to be negative, so I can leave it LAP equals to WH minus LAW. So we have W in common, which is H minus LAP. So the next thing to do is to divide. You divide through by H minus LA. So we have LAP over H minus LA equals to W. Equals to W. So W equals to LAP divided by H minus LA. So we are going to try another example again. We are going to try another example. We are going to try another example. So let's take another example. Example 5. We have x equals to WD over H into brackets H minus D over 2. What do? The next thing you do is to do what? Cross multiply. We have SH equals to WD into brackets H minus D over 2. So what do? We have SH equals to, open this bracket, WDH minus WD squared over 2. WD times H equals to WDH. WDH times this is going to give us WD squared over 2. Please note, I need you to note that we want to make H the subject. We want to make H the subject. So note, we want to make H the subject. So we can probably bring this to the other side. Over 2 equals to WDH minus SH. So we have WD squared over 2 equals to, what do we have in common here? H. We have WD minus S. So what do? The next thing to do is to divide through by what? WD minus S. You divide through by WD minus S. So divide WD minus S, WD minus S. So this cancels this. So H equals to WD squared over 2 into bracket WD minus S. Okay. Let's look at another example. Let's take another example. Please always take notes. Always take notes. Now, I want us to look at it very well. We have our t equals to square root of pdh over 4 plus a square. We want to make b the subject. We want to make this the subject. So when you have something like this, the first thing to do is to take the square root. We have square root is to take the square of both sides. You take the square of both sides. You take the square of both sides. So we have t square equals to pbh over 4 plus a square. So we have t square into brackets 4 plus a square equals to pbh. So what do? We divide through by ph. We divide through by ph. We divide through by ph. So ph cancel what? Ph. So we have our p equals to t square into bracket 4 plus a square over ph. So we can determine this. So I'm going to give us some work to do. So you try this. I'm going to give us work to do. So class work number 1. H equals to m into brackets v squared minus u squared over 2gz over 2gs. 2. We have s equals to wd over h into brackets h minus d over 2. Then number 3, we have t equals to mu square over k minus 5mg. So you can try this. Thank you.